We built this garden, this whole building 12 years ago, and we consider ourselves extremely green. And we decided that we would build our building with all the flexibility and all the green that we could possibly put into a building. And I believe we accomplished that. Cost $35,000 to put in the garden. There were 10 people on the building committee, and we worked on it for a couple of years. And I think I wanted an indoor garden and a waterfall, and everybody bought into it. So we built it into the plan of the building and happily embraced it. And we maintain it for about maybe a couple of $100 a year for, the fertilizer and put in some new dirt every once in a while. We don't get weeds, which is a blessing. The waterfall starts up there and runs down to the pond. And people can come up with wheelchairs. It's completely handicapped accessible. I love all the plants. I think it's the number one thing people are impressed with when they first walk in the building. And I don't know why they wouldn't be.